You know you're a hillbilly redneck when you have to tape up your sewer hose.
Hey guys, we are up here in, actually we're down here in Port Charlotte at the Riverside. I think it's formerly Riverside, now it's Encore RV Park, and we are going to walk down here and check out some really pretty campers, and I think a Prevost and Class A's and stuff. So I think Johnny's going to be on here.
There is a whole lot of buses and RVs and stuff in here, and I was talking to this guy Dave, and Dave owns this Prevo right here, and I'm gonna film it a little bit and take some pictures because he said I could. And this is a real nice Prevo. It's 97, and it's got a big Detroit diesel engine in it, and this guy was very nice to me, and so maybe he might let me get him on here, but if he won't, I'll just show the bus. Well, I don't think he's home. I knocked on the door, but it's a 97, and it's very nice. It's a Prevo, and I think that's very nice. It's got a paint job on it, and he said I could come back and take pictures or whatever, but 97 Prevo, it's got the Detroit engine and all. And look at that paint job. He said the guy that owned that before him was I think a vinyl. He owned a vinyl company, and he had that paint job put on that bus, and that is sharp right there. Starlight Express is what it says on it, but it is sharp. And then there's their sign here at the campground here, Dave and Nancy George, and so they're very nice. Or Dave is very nice. I didn't meet Nancy, but anyway, he's probably got some kind of center line on it or something, but I just wanted to share that with y'all. Holiday Rambler what?
That's a Holiday Rambler Ambassador. That's a scepter.
That's a what now?
That's an ambassador.
That one right there.
Yeah.
Ambassador. That's pretty short there.
Oh yeah.
And we're in Florida here. This is pretty nice here. We got a lot of neat buses in here. They're real neat. Camo curtain there. Camo things for his star. There. I guess there's John right there. Let's say, what's that over there, John? That right there.
That one?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly what that one is.
Yeah. One there. Yeah, that one's nice there.
I'll tell you the reason. It's so easy to spot certain RVs.
Why is that?
Holiday Ramblers have the big ugly blue sticker on them. All of them. Every single one of them. Some of them have them painted on it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It's so corny.
Is it so corny?
Yes.
I'm a pretty pitiful cameraman, I think.
Yeah.
So you just have to no matter what's happening. I like that in there. That in there, that's pretty short. I like those running lights there. That right there. I like them. Look at me. I like that right there. By me again. And right there, that's a short one right there. You know it. That's a pretty short one there. I don't know what kind it is. Starts with an A. And that's a bitty right there.
Yeah, like
What
we travel around and do video.
what's the make on it again? Your bus?
It's a Integra Aspire.
Integra Aspire. It's short too. You got 2 slide outs.
Yep, on either side there's 4.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's 4. So 2 on the other side.
Yeah.
Man, that is nice. Yeah. Yeah. I like that nose and that front end like that. That's short. Got two slides on this side. That's very nice.
This is a really nice place. They have a huge community here. It's over 500 RVs, and they have all kind of activities. It's really, really big. It's one of the biggest communities I've ever seen for RVers. So.
You know you're a hillbilly redneck when you have to tape up your sewer hose.